What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Tuesday here at PPM Racing Products. Today we're going to be talking to you about our fuel line kit. Starting off with, we offer two variations of this kit. One is a Dash 8 and one is a Dash 10. Most of your fuel cells these days are Dash 10s, but we offer the 8s for some of the other and smaller cells. Starting off in this kit, you will get 12 foot of push lock hose. You have two straight push lock fittings and one 90-degree fitting. The 90-degree fitting will go on the fuel cell end, and the two straights will go on each end of your fuel log. On that, let's get into that fuel log. This is a spring-loaded fuel log. Of course, it has the spring. You will put this on the side toward the fuel cell. It keeps the fuel filter from bouncing back and forth. Really good design. And these logs come with a paper element. You can buy the stainless fuel filter for an extra cost, but most people just run the paper. These are screwed together. Both ends has an O-ring. You just screw them together, and on each end it has a nut on it, nut style, where you can put a wrench on it and tighten it up. Make sure it's good and tight because you don't want fuel going everywhere. Now on the fuel filter, when you put it in, the closed end will go toward the fuel cell, and on the other end that has the hole will go toward the motor side. You can pick all this up on our website. Each kit is $128 for everything that you see here. Go grab it today at ppmracingproducts.com or give us a call at 865-354-9669. Thank y'all for watching.